Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got something so special for you today. I love this. I'm 100% in love with it. It's of course Chanel. It's a vintage mini square and it is beautiful. It's got the gorgeous long strap, the leather and chain strap. And on the back, it's got a flat pocket. And the lock is the double C turn lock. And then inside, it's beautiful. This section here is suede. Let's come in so you can see behind the lock. And then the bag, you've got the main section of the bag here. There is one flat pocket there, and then there is one zipped pocket, and then in front of it, one flat pocket. And I don't know if you can see, but the Chanel is just there. Can you see that? And let's show you the beautiful zip pull. It's just gorgeous. The serial number sticker is on the inside there. Can you see that? There you go. And it is, as I said, it's a vintage one. It is 89 to 91 is the year, the years. I'm going to put it on so you can see the size of it. Now the exact measurements are on the website and there's a link to that if you go to the description below. I am 5'4", I'm a UK size 10, it feels beautiful and that hopefully gives you an idea of the size, and I'll put it over my shoulder so you get an idea of how to wear it as a shoulder bag. As I said, measurements are on the website. The link will take you straight to this on the website. If the link takes you to the product page, it means I'm really sorry that it's sold already. If you particularly want a Chanel Square Mini, email us and let us know and we'll put you on our request list, and the next time we get one in we can give you a heads up. You can get the email address from our website, so use the same link, get on the website, and then there's a contact us page. You can find the email address, let us know, we'll put you on the list. Let me tell you what this one comes with. It comes with the Chanel dust bag, and it also comes with a designer exchange product tag. And I will talk you through the condition of this piece. Remember, if you're a bag lover, then you need to subscribe. I'm going to say it, subscribe to this channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. Condition of this piece. We've called the condition worn throughout, and I'll talk you through why. So a worn exterior. I'm going to come in just so you can see it. There are just signs of wear to the bag. The first thing is the leather is quite dry. So maybe the leather could do with a bit of a feed, a bit of a drink. And there are just kind of general signs of wear. So here you can see some wrinkling. It's a very old bag. As far as I'm concerned, this does not detract from its beauty. If anything, it kind of adds to it. But signs of wear, so worn condition there. The hardware we've called worn condition as well. If I come in, you can see just that the chain is beginning to lose some of its gold. And if I come in and show you here as well. And it's the same with this hardware is beautiful. But again, the zip pull inside, you can see where the CCs are beginning to lose the gold. The inside we've called worn condition, and I'm being really over the top picky really. Here it is beautiful. The reason I've kind of called it worn is the suede section here. It's just old suede, that's all it is. So you can just see that there's signs of wear to it. But it is beautiful. There is no biro, there's no rips or tears. It's gorgeous. It's just a pre-owned vintage bag. I love it. It's so cool. Saturday night drink for this. Oh, look. So, as always, there is a link to shop this. If you go to the comments below, the link will take you straight to it unless it's sold, remember, and then remember to email us and get signed up for the next one. When you're on the website, you can sign up to our newsletter, and then we send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It's well worth doing that. So you're on the website, scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a box, you put your email address in, and we will send you your discount code. And before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel, but then use that link, get on the website and do everything that you need to do on there. And of course, if you're a bag lover and you have bags that you want to sell, that is what we do. We are a consignment store. So we sell and ship all over the world. We accept bags to be sold from the UK only. So if you're in the UK and you have bags you want to sell, we have really competitive commission charges. So on the website, if you go to the How to Sell With Us page, we've got a little chart that tells you how much you'll kind of make. It's worth having a look. And then you can email us and let us know what bags you've got. Can't wait to see what you've got. And I think that's it. Have a fab day, and we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.